Yeah, hi Jess, it's Mark at FMAV in UK. You bought this part from me off of eBay. I just want to show you it all working and what it is, etc. Okay, so I'm powering it up. I'm just going to play a bit of DVD, CD here, so you can hear it all working. Okay, so basically the whole part has been serviced and it is in good full working order, as you can actually hear and see right now. So I'm just going to stop that and show you the part as it is. So I'll just take that off. Disconnect them wires. Okay, so this is the part that you're buying here. This is the part that you bought and the part that you will receive. And this is the board on the back, obviously, and you can see that there. So that's all fully working. So hopefully, you know, I don't know exactly what part you're actually after, but yeah, this should be good for you. So hopefully you're happy with that, and thanks again.